Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a DIY Oreo milkshake because recently I've been going crazy for milkshake.
I know you're learning, but you have to retake.
Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making Oreo milkshake that you get in a dessert shop because we keep going mad for them, and Mark keeps going mad at me because I'm free.
Oh shit! I know. I know. I wasn't recording. I'm gonna have to take that. 3, 2, 1. You're on.
You better do this time.
Go on.
Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making an Oreo milkshake, and that's all I'm doing now.
I've just made you do that fucking scene 3 times, and every time it was recording, so the joke's on you, bitch. You're rolling.
Right, let's do this.
Right then.
First, we need
No, you go through
vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Not forgetting Oreos, double stuff. Cream.
Camera, got a wide angle.
Cream, milk. Toffee sauce.
Real ketchup. Real sauce in your cup.
And my cups.
And you will also need Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Quickly.
And your equipment.
But I got a bowl. I got a bowl.
Oh, did I wash them?
I thought I'd lost them.
Well, yeah. And you also need a giant mixing bowl.
And you need to be by the plug. That might be a good idea.
Right.
Not bad.
Tie plugs in, easy. So, go what you're going to do first then. Tell him what you're going to do.
First, because I ain't got a proper liquidizer, because Mark will buy me one. So, we've got to...
Watch it.
Hang on, anyway.
Woo!
Put your finger in it.
Fuck off. That you saying that in a vlog. Go on then. So what are we doing?
I didn't put some more Oreos in. So I don't know whether I've got to bust them up. So I ain't got the jug, so I think I'll have to break them. Because I'm poor and YouTube don't pay me, I ain't got the proper jug.
We need a blender and we ain't got one, so we've had to improvise. That's why it's DIY. Do you want me to crush them up for you?
Yeah. Don't eat them.
I ain't going to touch them. So basically, first of all, we're going to crush up the Oreos. Yeah. We've used double stuff, baby.
Yeah, so it might be better.
How many Oreos? 3?
You've been watching them now,
3 Oreos. Yeah, but it depends how many drinks you want to get out of it. How many milkshakes you want?
2.
2?
One each.
Technicals there.
I don't even think there's no made ice cream in the block.
Yeah, they do.
Well, obviously, because it's here.
So now,
I've
done now. What's that?
What does it look like?
So now, you've got to tell these guys that now, you're meant to be vlogging
Ice cream.
So, there's a thing here. I couldn't get the bloody thing out.
Oh, you've opened it from the wrong end.
Tie that away. And there we go.
Big block of ice cream.
So
that's a girl's paradise. Loads of ice cream.
So basically, we're going to get
a big lump of vanilla ice cream.
Big lump of vanilla ice cream. Bang
all
it.
over YouTube, them using chocolate ice cream.
Oh no, that's not right.
But
so
I like this way.
Basically, 2 nice big chunks of ice cream going into the pan of crushed Oreos, yeah? And I'll put a bit more just to get
the flavour. This is Mark's first time having one because he's too tight to buy 2.
So basically, we've added the ice cream in with the Oreos. Now we're going to be adding milk. You need about 100 ml, Tippy. We don't do things by
measuring.
We need measurements in here.
Because we don't have no drugs. We're poor.
Bit more. That'll do. Right. We've added the milk.
Now, it's time to do
the messy bit.
The sauce dance. We gotta prepare the cup.
What do you mean? Wait, that's coming. That's coming.
This is gonna be fun now.
This is gonna be a mess. Oh, it's working!
You got the right colour.
Keep going.
Hold the bowl there.
Don't take my hands off of it then. Let me give it a thorough look. That's it.
Yeah,
hey, boy! Yeah!
That's when you know you're
It's working, boy! Let me try that. Don't even press that button.
Oh, well, see.
Oh my god! So,
this is just gonna make a mess everywhere. No matter where I put it.
Give it another.
Well,
wiggle, yeah! So,
we don't need to invest in a liquid.
No, we don't need liquidizer. This is just as good. So if you've got one of these at home, crack on. Because actually...
And go to your closest dessert shop.
Yeah, if you want...
buy these so you've got it properly.
Basically, so what we... Recap on what we've just done for Anna.
How many Oreos did you put in?
I put 4.
4 Oreos. A big lump of ice cream. And whatever amount of milk you see me pouring.
About 100 ml, 200
ml. And then
ml.
give it a whisk. And it goes into a thickie.
I mean, if you can see that, guys. That's what you end up with.
And that's exactly what it looks like from the shop.
Yeah, exactly.
What I paid
the consistency, what you want.
I paid £3 for
if
that.
you do decide to make this recipe, follow these instructions because this is the first time I made it, but we've been taught by a dessert shop anyway.
And now it's got chocolate in.
Oi, Pussycat. Will I come and say hello to the subs? Hello.
You're having a little sister, ain't ya?
Yeah, she's getting a little sister soon. Go on then, piss off. Bugger off.
And by that we mean cat.
Bugger off.
Before anybody thinks anything.
I know,
we want about a cat.
So, basically, right.
Real sauce.
We'll catch up team. The man the man who learnt us how to make these, right, was training his trainee. And I was overseeing what he was doing to make these. So we nicked his idea, we nicked his recipe. But anyway, the man said, this is what you do. You get your cup, you get the sauce.
But we've tweaked the sauce.
But we've used our own sauce.
We ain't got chocolate, we got toffee. Because
we have this with ice cream every night anyway, so... Anyway, the guy said, this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Watch this.
Carefully watch this.
Carefully watch this.
No skipping.
Anyway, this is the man says. You put a little bit in the bottom, and then you go round like that. Round like that. To get it round like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. To get it round the edge of the glass.
Who said that?
That black guy who learned.
No, just like that.
Ha ha ha. Tommy Cooper. Just like that. With his hat.
I knew someone said that.
And we'll do it with the second one. Put it in the bottom.
Don't forget to do the
wiggle.
Hip motion.
Yeah. The man will go around like that, man. Go round. And there you go. That's how you get the effect.
It makes it taste nicer.
Yeah, it makes it taste nicer. So now, we've got our milkshakes. We've got it laced up with... I've took over your vlog, haven't I?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's going on both channels anyway.
No. Get off.
You
find a no. You can pour because
So she's giving me the hard jobs, guys. Can you believe this? You've got to do, if you're doing the cream, you've got to do the yip thing with it.
This is what happens when you're on my channel. You get creamed.
That's your revenge, war it for.
That's yesterday.
Chicken.
You're gonna stink in the morning. Need to wash your hair.
I only had a bath last night, you prick.
Why is it your birthday?
No, I only had. Don't even start with that. Has it gone?
Yeah.
So right now, sorry guys. We said there was better content coming. So smash the like button if you ain't already. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. And whoa!
No, you gotta do this.
Fuck off!
Just this thing.
Anna, no.
Okay, you gotta do this to the subscribe. And then this. And don't forget, you gotta do that to subscribe.
That hurt, man, right? Fuck. Oh, nah, man. No. You flick me in the balls.
Don't forget to do that to the subscribe button.
Fuck you now. Guys, if that don't... I can feel it like my testicles are in my belly.
Pussycat.
Don't do nothing else. I know, don't do nothing else now.
Come on then, pour it.
Yeah, that hurts. Right then, don't do nothing, Anna, because that really hurts. It's not me sick.
I ain't gonna do nothing else. That ain't gonna make two. Oh, for good.
Yeah, for the cream. You don't fill it up.
You do?
Well, we ain't got enough, have we?
That's why they give you a down.
So, it's still hurting, that is.
Shit in a cup.
Right then, moving on to the next step.
There's a bit of cream. And this one, you gotta do it properly.
Gotta go round where?
You go. I've got to do it. What's the matter with this cat? You do it. That cat is weird. Well,
right.
It's hard to squirt.
With hips like that.
Eh?
What the fuck?
Take me, look. It's the cup. You go to the hips because of it.
No.
What's the matter with that battered squirt, eh?
I don't know. But I ended up right, has he?
No, because of the squirty bottle.
So there's one. Actually, that ain't turned out too bad. It looks alright.
Looks quite good.
It's quite good, yeah. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section for your shout out, guys. And smash the like button.
Just like I smashed in.
Yeah, but I forgot a man down to that to make it fucking hurt.
And
Top it off with Oreos.
they don't do this in the shop, but
This cream's shit. Look, it's sunk.
I know it was £1 bastard too. Normally it squirts proper quick and good.
And then to top it off, we have two here. Actually, guys, them look quite good, don't they? To be honest. And then you top it off with your sauce.
Real sauce.
You can have both of these, I ain't hungry. And there you have it. There you go. So basically then you pop your lid on, which we pinched from the shop. Put the lid on.
Because I brought it with... That's
and then bam.
the strawberry.
There you have a D.i.y. What am I called? It's a Oreo milkshake. So guys, if you haven't made one yet, go ahead and make one.
Do a taste test.